Kurpa peran le.
आशिक़ैनो खबर Nina kairana आशिक़ैनो खबर Nini kogo tatabo kere Nini shago pembanabo kere No no kari chune mushago kere Na कर चीनी लम्मा कर कर चीने मुशान बोकर न कर चीनी लम्मा
Chibai to everyone. First of all, thank you so much for inviting me here. I think the youngsters, you all understand English, right? A bit. I am very happy that you all invited me here. And how does this look? कैसा लगता है? ठीक लगता है? हाँ? Does it look okay? Super. The next time I'm going to take this everywhere. Wherever I go, I'll take this thing with me. Huh? How does this cap look? This is okay? Huh? So, I want to tell you one thing. Have you ever been to the palace in Agartala? Have you been there? Have you been to my palace where I stay? Where Dokuma Silo has been? Raja Dokuma Silo? No, na? So let me take the opportunity to ask you all to please come to my palace for lunch. Oh, you want to translate it? It will be much more easier. Please come in. Are you translating? First of all, I am very honored that you have given me so much of love. Second, we are all part of the same community in Tripura and in Northeast.
TRIPURA le Northeast ahen kan zabayan unaw kan ni ti venia hian kan fiat thal kan wani.
We may call ourselves Mizo, somebody may call themselves Rian, somebody may call themselves Jamatya, somebody may call themselves Naga.
Trend ka suriang kan ti ni mai thea trend Jamatya trend Naga kan ti ni mai the venia hian na se unaw kan ni
But the reality is the rest of India will always consider us Narbung Bukumbara.
Alan jenda chu keni te hi narbong ti fiat kan ni na ti ni kan narbong ve kan hi chu.
Right? So, if the Narbung and the Bukumbara community has to develop, we need Munkhat, we need unity.
Narbong ho chu develop kan ni the na tur chuan mun khata kan lon khom lo nai ta ni voi ni hian
They will call me Bubagra, you all will call me, Joychuk calls me Ringpa, somebody will call me Ring. But for me, all of you, young, the women, the old, you are all my own people.
helai mi ko unaw ten Bubagra min ti ni thea helaya kan halam unaw ten Rengpa min ti a Mizo ten Renglal min ti ni mai thea voi ni a hian in zawai kan voi ni a hian lal kan la ni rengani.
And there is only one who can unite us. love.
Chumi wang chau chuan kan in mangai na le kan in pum khat na voi ni hian om chun zong zer thei do na ni.
Khatna means unity, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is more powerful, love or hatred? I think love is more powerful.
Enge thil ti thei na lian ber chu ni tang in mel mak na nge in mangai na niang ke chuan mangai na hi kan in pum khat na tur le thil kan ti thei na tur ber ni a voi ni le ka ngai ni.
This is what I am saying is actually written in the Bible. Even the Pathian says love is the only answer to hatred.
Hei tak hi nia voi ni he ka ngai poi mo Bible po ina alo zia ma ngai na hi pathiana kan in pum khat na chu alo ni.
So I appeal to you not as someone who's a politician, but I appeal to you as a indigenous person from Northeast, that let us come together and let us speak for our children together.
Voi ni a hian ka som du na cheu chu Northeast le lu fa te kan di angin kan in pum khat angaya chuang lo long tu te dan voi ni a hian su nu tra tu chia turin kan in sui khom thar le a poi mo ani.
Today, our children are poor. We need to fight for our children's future, the next generation's future. But we are fighting in the name against each other. Instead of fighting for our children's future, we are fighting against each other. Instead of fighting for a better tomorrow for our next generation, we are fighting in the name of religion, in the name of surname, but we are both losing.
Ka una tu tak te voi ni hian ngai tu na kan man thar tu tak se tin ka ria a chuan lo long tur kan tu le fa te khovel tur ta na thane nga le pum khat ta ka thok tur kan ni lain voi ni a ke mani le ke mani una te enge mo wangin kan lo in sual zok ta thina chu voi ni he kan shiat fu lo em ani a chu wangin voi ni a kan ngai tu na te thakin chuan thar na kina nap tu thazo kan nei theina turin nakin thazo kan nei theina turin helai lo kan khom te hi kan u naw thara kan chang ruat thar kha apoi mo ani.
Who divides us?
Tu te nge min chen tu te hi
Those who don't want the Narbung and the Bukung Bara to progress. Who divides us? Who don't want our children to have a better future? Who divides us in the name of religion? Those who want to rule us, both of us.
voi ni hian min chen dak tu te chu nar bom ho kan chang ka na voi ni kan no pang na kin lo ka mi pui tling le mi thiam ni tur te phal lo tu te hian voi ni hian ke ni tribal te hi min chen sanga kan in pum khat lo na tur thil sang voi ni hian kan zinga anun thlen tir ri ni.
You may call me Maharaja, somebody may call me Ringpa, somebody may call me Bubagra. But let me tell you, my name is not important. We are all children of Pathian. And I promise you, if the children of Pathian can come together, one day Narbung will rule Tripura.
When ni hian soyang kha na training Bubagra min ti ni mai thea a training renglal a training rengpa min ti ni mai thea po su ni sala voi ni hian kan vai hian pathian fa te kan ni a pathian fa te hun khata kan lom khom the ni chuan heram tripura kan ram nge hi engting ni a mo chuan heram le lu chu a en ro kan la rel do na ni.
Can you imagine Chief Minister of Mizoram, Chief Minister of Tripura, Chief Minister of Nagaland, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, all are our own people? Then you see how development comes to all of us, because then we are all together as one Northeast.
In ngai tu nga yem ka shelowa notice a hian Mizoram te Meghalaya te Nagaland te chuan aram le lung fa te nge Chief Minister an thu thina chung ho ram te development na sak zia ki voi ni hen kan hu fia thia mem ka shelowa chu tia hun chu ke ni rama ko hen ala thleng the ni ti kan ria ta poimo
So I appeal to you, do not be divided in the name of religion. Do not be divided in the name of party. Party can be many, CPM, Congress, TRIPURA, Motha, BJP. But we should not forget, first, we are indigenous people of Northeast.
Vaini ahian politics tu inu te party awang te in min chen chang tu kan ni lawa kan ril ru om re ta le vaini ahian kangen na chu kangen du na chu sam ber chu heram le lu fa te kan ni ti hi ishenon tharang u.
Those, whenever you all go, some of you may go to Agartala, some of you may go to Guwahati, to Delhi, to Bangalore. People call you Chinese. They call you Chinky. They call you Momo. They don't know your Mizo. They don't know he is Koloi. They don't know he is Rangkhol. They don't know he is Rian. But we are not united. So we are Mizo, Rangkhol, Jamantia, Riang, and those people who are calling us Chinky, Momo, Nakchepta, those people, they don't know which religion we are. They don't know where we come from. Yet we are not united.
Delhi ate Bangalore ate inkal mai thin mai theya chung ho chuan ke ni ho hi Chinky Momo Mitzim te katianga abian thau te chutiang te a soi thin chu kan nia ingsa ko von tu te ke kan ni kon shelowa Chinese ti te bi soi thina masela voi ni a hian nge ni sa ko sang von tu te kan nia en ko su ni sela voi ni han chung chu poi mo bera ni lova en po ni se unau kan ni na te voi ni a hian kan ria thar zo poi mo a.
They make fun of our women. They think our women are easy. It hurts me. Because today it is somebody else, tomorrow it can be my own sister. So why should we not come together? Why can't we become brothers? And why we cannot unite? And why cannot we think about the next generation?
When you are here, they get together. Can you boom cut the tail? Or not, son, he gave me not ten sang rega. Can ma can do the fat that's one turn along to Dana. Naitona can Hanabunto that Zet Laya can in ten sang tree le. Till some Shangava can you boom cut tail of a poet exactly.
Politics has divided us. Pathian and love can unite us. Who is more powerful, politics or Pathian? You know the answer.
Politics do you know chuan min chen sang thina Pathian ma ngai ne ro chuan min sui khom thina when ya hian politics do you know nge Pathian ma ngai na chu thlan om kan ti zo.
Yet we continue to follow those leaders who divide us. But now I want to care, I want to think about a child, not because he is Rian or she is Rian or Mizo, but for me, every child should have a better future.
When ya hian riang no pangan dia mo Mizo no pangan dia mo lam kha ka ngai poi mo ni lawa when ya hian no pang eram le lung fa te ma ku hi ka thil le ka ngai poi mo ber chu ani.
Today we are opening a foundation stone for a community hall in the name of Raja Tokuma Silo, who was a friend of my grandfather.
When ya helaya Raja Bahadur Tokuma Silo community hall van na kan ne ya.
If 100 years ago Raja Bahadur Tokuma Silo and Maharaja Bir Bikram could be friends, why can't we be friends 100 years later?
Kung samala makha aku Raja le Maharaja le Raja Tokuma Silo te in thian ke tak an lo ni thina when ya kung za aliam le hen nge kan pum khat thelo chuang ang kan pum khat turani.
Today we have mobile phone, we have car, we have house, but we have forgotten how to love each other.
Với nia kan lo chang kang to mi sing te li thei te phone chang kang te kan neya ngati ge pum khat na chang po kan share to lo với nia hian ngati kan pum khat thei lo.
But when we had no cars, no mobile phone, no money, yet we were friends. So, despite everything, we are still losing. But one day, I hope that we can become friends, and we will become friends, and we will develop not only your village but the whole of Jampui in a proper way.
Thil nei lu mobile phone te ka te chu ralma sela kan pum khat te kan thian na te ro chu a re thei to lo wa chu wangi với nia hian chu bang te rin lu khreng chung chuan in pum khat teu lam kan hoi kha với nia hian a poi mo ni.
This community hall is meant for a great man like Raja Bahadur Tokma Sailo, a great man, and we want to honor him. And next time I come here, we should celebrate our Christmas, our Easters, our Kut festival, our festivals in this very community hall, which will be built in the name of a great person like Raja Bahadur Tokma Sailo.
Lalu kita rasa bahwa belum selesai ya dengan community hall kan sakahian ipo kalau kalanga Christmas Day, Easter Sunday te kan mga kan lalang ho lui doran itu tu.
And last, what do you say? I love you in Mizo? Huh? Kahmang Aiche. Huh? See, Kahmang Aiche. In Koporok Kauru say ang no ham jago. And you say in thing Kahmang Aiche. See, Kahmang Aiche, right? ₹1 भी नहीं जाता है, not ₹1 from your pocket. But when you say Kahmang Aiche, you're smiling, right? From here. You can say I love you, you can say Kahmang Aiche, you can say Ang Nono Hamjago, but it's the same sentiment everywhere.
Cek kat po, ni lang may ila kapang ay ceti hicu teh, kita kan suwangin mitin teh kapang ay ceh di wari la cucuan rasa teh po hi acu teh di.
My only message to you, all of you here, please love yourself, please love each other, and please respect each other.
Mitin teh lawin mangai ula, lawin zaton ula. Lungrual takin lau umsel ulah katuan ni.
And do you love me?
Nila ni pangayam.
Do you love me? I don't hear.
Min pangayam ati.
Only one man saying yes, yes.
Ring dah min pangayam tilayam min pangayam.
Do you love me? Kahman Aiche. Right? Point is, love will always win. Munkhat will always win, and we will always win if we have love and munkhat with each other. Thank you so much. God bless you.